of leadership in creating a business environment that supports availability of sustainable work for larger section of the society and in the interest of the stakeholders which are associated with the business at large. So I would request you to take this as a lead question for you, and I would urge the others to contribute based upon your experiences to the same. Simin, over to you.
Thank you so much, Rishi, and thank you, Marcos, for setting the context. It actually made a lot of things clearer, I think, to the audience as well. You see, in recent times, the focus on sustainability has increased significantly, but as you rightly said, we talk more about the environmental impact rather than the people aspect of it. So I would like to start by, sort of just elaborating a little bit more here. According to me, a sustainable workforce is where the environment is caring and it supports employee well-being. And employees are seen not just only as primary resources that can be deployed to serve an employer's economic ends, but that they are their talents, their skills, their energies, they are nurtured and provided a platform to actually grow and feel engaged. So sustainable work requires leadership to look beyond short-term gains. It requires the leadership to view the triple bottom line and more specifically the people aspect of it. Sustainable engagement, according to me, is more than just investing in processes or strategies to get the most out of employees. It's about meeting the core needs of people so that they feel comfortable, they feel confident, they feel inspired to be productive for the long term. This means that we are enabling people to work effectively and engaging with them within the organization towards a common shared goal. According to me, if when human resources are sort of used in a sustainable way, then they are not only able to perform the roles better, but also they are able to flourish, they are able to be creative and be innovative. How do we do that, and what is the role of leadership? I think the role of leadership here is extremely important because we're talking about employee well-being, we're talking about enabling productivity, engagement with people. So ensuring that the overall ecosystem is such that we are sort of providing platforms for people to grow, to feel connected, to have their personal goals as well as the organizational goals aligned is very important. There's a lot that organizations have been doing in these terms, and you talked about the digital initiatives that we have been bringing about in various organizations that I've sort of worked in. At the DS Group, we've been working towards ensuring that our people feel safe, that they feel connected, that they feel engaged, and ultimately they're also contributing their best and sort of growing in the organization. Very recently, we've launched our digital DS Learning Academy, which works on employee capability building and career growth of employees. And this academy is an AI and ML enabled sort of a digital academy where it's not just your current skill set, but what is it that you may require in the future that is taken care of, and you can define your career paths using this career journeys that are developed on the academy and sort of take your journey forward. Leadership, I think, has a very important role when it comes to setting the culture and the context in the organization, as to making sure that everybody is committed towards contributing towards the triple bottom line, as I mentioned earlier. It's important for people to understand that they are not just working only for the money aspect, but they are also contributing back to the society. A lot of organizations have taken many steps which when it comes to the green initiatives, whether it is installing solar power or going paperless or having green purchase guidelines in the organization. But when it comes to people aspect, I think that is also a very important area where they must understand that you cannot over deploy or over deplete the human resources that you have. You must ensure that there is a fair amount of work, there's not excessive workload on them, that they need to sort of renew themselves if there is a crisis that has happened or they've been unwell, that their well-being is being taken care of. It is not just a physical well-being, but also the mental well-being of people, that their aspirations, their career aspirations are taken care of in the organization, that they feel connected to the organization. So that's, I feel, where, and the leadership will have to take lead and sort of guide the organization the right way. Right, Rishi?
Thank you, Sim.